Hi guys, welcome back to Go Try the Cookbook. Do you remember the Chinese almond cookies that came in a pink box? I grew up in Southern California, where these cookies were easily found at the local grocery store. I remember my mother had a friend who would visit her and bring her this box of almond cookies. I remember loving them as a kid. The cookie was a shortbread cookie with slivers of almond on top. I have not had those cookies in a while, but I do love a nutty cookie. When I saw the Marcona Almond Cookie recipe in Claire Saffitz Dessert Person Cookbook, I wonder if it would have a similar taste to the cookies I remembered. They don't taste the same. These cookies are chewy and the almonds have a different flavor. The Marcona almond is originally from Spain. They are more fatty than the American almonds that I am used to. They have a similar texture to a macadamia nut or a cashew nut. These cookies do require a food processor to make, but they are relatively easy to make. I like this cookie. They bake in 10 minutes and they become puffy and golden brown. They were not too sweet and the flavor of the almond really shines. We hope you give them a try. For the full recipe, head over to our blog, gotrythecookbook.com. If you like our video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, XOXO, go try the cookbook.